Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button down below. Now, the product that we have today is on eBay for $5. I'll pop the link down in the description. This product is a hammock. It is a rope hammock. About your traditional hammock. It is green. It was only $5, so I'm expecting not the highest quality, maybe even not even the largest product, but we'll take a look at it, we'll see how it goes, and we'll do a full review. Let's check it out. Your hammock's gonna come in your standard eBay packaging, just like everything else. What do we get? So I've noticed they actually give you rope to tie it to a tree. That's actually something very convenient. I did not think was included. That is well done, well done. And this right here is the hammock. It's got an interesting feel to it. It's very dark green. I like the green going on with it. It's very outdoorsy looking. And here's the hammock. It's got metal rings on each end of the hammock, so that way you're not tearing into any cords, no fraying going on, because it's got a nice smooth metal ring on the end. Probably gonna add some durability aspect to it. You know, it seems like a pretty long hammock. The spacing seems to be pretty standard. It's kind of like a net. It could probably be used as a net in survival situations. But this hammock will probably be best used as a camping accessory, hiking accessory, whatever it is outdoorsy that you like to do and you need a hammock for. It's on eBay for $5. So let's go attach this bad boy to a tree and see how it holds up, and see the size and the shaping of it, and really get a good look. Alright guys, so I've determined that these two trees in my backyard seem to be properly spaced, which should offer a good place to hang up this hammock. So I'll go ahead and mount it up there. This rope right here isn't long enough, so I'm gonna have to go find another rope. So I went out and I got this paracord here, this neon yellow paracord, cut it to length. So now let's connect this bad boy up. I think we're ready to test it out. Ooh. I committed to it. I'm gonna string it up higher so that way it can give you a better idea. Alright guys, so I got it strung up a little higher on that left side. It's fairly wide. Oh, that's much better. That is much better. You can use it as a chair. Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice. It's about as comfortable as a net hammock can be. You know, there's plenty of breathing going on. You know, plenty of holes there, unlike your nylon sheet kind of hammocks. You know, it's nice that it came with the ropes. If this wasn't such a thick tree, it would have worked. It wouldn't have been too short. It definitely worked on that tree. For the most part, this is a really high quality hammock. It's holding up, and I weigh 150 pounds, so your average adult male can sit in this thing fine, can lay in it fine. I'm not sure what it's rated to weight-wise, but I'm sure it could hold quite a hefty person. It's a solid hammock. So this hammock turned out to be a fairly nice product for the price, especially a $5 price tag. There aren't too many hammocks out there with that kind of price. It's on eBay. I'll pop that link in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Have a great day and don't get shot.